In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for, so you can remove an unwanted entry with confidence. A quick heads up before we begin. Deleting a transaction can affect your account balances and reports, and in many cases, it can't be undone. If this transaction impacts your books, consider noting the details or taking a quick export for your records before you proceed. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the banking section from the main navigation. This is where all your connected bank and credit card feeds, as well as manually added banking entries, are organized. The banking area gives you a clear view of each account's activity, so you can pinpoint the exact transaction you want to remove. Next, choose the specific bank or card account that contains the transaction. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account by checking the account name and recent activity. This simple pause helps avoid deleting something in the wrong place, which can be tricky to unwind later. Now, locate and select the transaction you intend to delete. You can scroll through the list or use filters like date, type, or amount to narrow things down quickly. Clicking the transaction opens its details page, where you can review the date, amount, description, and any notes. Make sure everything matches what you want to remove. Accuracy here is key to keeping your books clean. With the transaction details open, look for the delete option, typically shown as a trash can icon or available from a menu on the page. If you don't see it, you might not have permission to delete, or the transaction could be locked by a reconciliation or linked to another record. In those cases, check with your admin or review the transaction status before trying again. When you're ready, confirm the deletion by clicking OK in the prompt that appears. Zoho Books will remove the transaction and you should see it disappear from the list. Give the page a moment to refresh, then verify the account balance and recent activity to ensure everything lines up as expected. That's it. You navigated to banking, selected the correct account, opened the transaction, used the delete icon, and confirmed the action. For best practice, review your reports after any deletion and keep notes on why a change was made so your audit trail remains clear. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.